Hey guys, Caleb here again. I'm a full stack engineer at Pieces for developers, and today I just have a short and quick video for you on how you can manage your Pieces account within the Pieces Raycast extension. So yeah, just hopping right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up Raycast, and you can see once I have Raycast open, I have the Pieces Raycast extension installed, and I can just search up sign out of Pieces or sign into Pieces. So these two commands are just quickly accessible for you if you ever want to log out of Pieces or log back in with a new account. You can go ahead and hit the sign out button here, and it's going to go ahead and it'll open up our logout page. As you can see, I went ahead and successfully logged me out of Pieces, and if I go ahead and Command H this once again, I can sign into Pieces and just go ahead and go through our authentication page here. And yeah, so I can just log in. And so yeah, just very quick short power tip on how you can sign in and sign out of Pieces. Once again, signing in and signing out of Pieces is mainly used for any sort of our cloud features. So if you wanted to like share snippets, or if you wanted to create a cloud backup of your Pieces database, or any other cloud feature that we have available, you do have to be logged into Pieces, and this is just a quick and easy way of how you can manage your Pieces account utilizing the Pieces Raycast extension. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys once again in your journey of properly using Pieces and becoming a true power user. Thank you guys very much for enjoying this with me. Let me know what you'd like to see out of the Raycast extension next, and happy coding.